welcome to a new episode of Thoughts on Education. Today on Thoughts on Education, we have Miss Moon Mara, who is Assistant Professor, Business Studies, Vidya Jyoti University. Welcome to Thoughts on Education, ma'am.
Thank you, College Dunia.
Yeah.
My name is Moon Mara and I'm from Arunachal Pradesh.
Would you like to introduce yourself, ma'am?
My name is Moon Mara and I'm from Arunachal Pradesh and I'm working as Assistant Professor in Vidya Jyoti University. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Firstly, I would like to ask you, what are the key factors that have keep you connected to the education sector?
Okay, thank you so much. Education is something everyone should be impressed, right?
Yeah.
Everyone should be. It's something, that is the thing which make something bigger in every nation, right?
Yeah.
That's why, that is the thing which connect me to, in education sector.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah. Secondly, I would like to ask you, what is your philosophy on leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
Okay. Every sectors or every family or everywhere, the leadership is something which make everything good. Okay? Like democratic, right?
Yes.
Democracy. Our nation is democracy. That is the reason the economics are now, it's very much in fast.
Yeah.
Why I'm saying this, it's connected with the leadership. Everywhere there should be a leadership in some point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And for me, if I'm saying about the leadership, I would say that the quality of leadership everyone should have.
The education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here at your institute?
Okay, there will be a very different, because you must know that India is a developing country, right?
Yeah.
The education policy in the foreign policy education is very different, but still our college is trying to level up with different educations or international educations, right?
Yeah.
I'm experienced in this college. I'm all a student of this college, right? So
Yes.
my experience are telling me that in our college you will get a practical knowledge to the theory knowledge to the even in the real life. In real life you can also become a very good human being in.
How does the curriculum of our institute ensure the best practice of industry?
Okay. As per my experience in our college, here the regular teachings are very practical and very precise. Like we always give a student a practicals, right? From the theory to the practical practice every day. Okay, in this even in semester basis or ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Like हम जब स्टूडेंट थे यहाँ पे तो हमें क्लासेस हमारे बहुत ही रेगुलर होते थे, ठीक है? हमें अगर हम एब्सेंस होते थे तो हमारी फाइन्स होते थे. तो there is a student who don't comes to the college, okay? But these policy make them compelled to come to the college.
Definitely.
That's why their attendance were the 100%.
Definitely.
That is the reason the students were actually ready for the next level, for example for the job. ठीक है? यही चीजें जो curriculums है, it's very better in the Vidya Jyoti education.
That's great, ma'am.
Thank you.
Any insights into how our institute could be more welcoming to students of different races or economic backgrounds?
Okay, for that you can take my example. I'm from the Arunachal Pradesh, right? We got a scholarship from the government of India. That's called umbrella scheme. So our college provided this scholarship from the government. They provide the education to us, right? So मैं वहाँ से आई हूँ. I'm a 2012 batch and we got everything which actually needed, because the education policies different होते हैं. तो हमारे कॉलेज जो हमें स्कॉलरशिप प्रोवाइड करते हैं बच्चों को अलग स्टेट्स है, and we are getting the same education systems as per different college.
That's great, ma'am.
Thank you.
When you first came to the institute, what was your vision for the university? Has it evolved over time, and how far along in implementing the vision are you?
Okay, compared to my state, the university here is a very different. It's a very developed university. So for me, the university is they provide everything to us, right? So the vision was always, every time when I come here, I think I have a very good vision about this university, that I'm going to learn lots of things, right? So as same, I got everything from the Punjab Technical University. We got lots of knowledge, lots of, we face a different kind of people and professors, right?
Yeah, that's great, ma'am. Nextly, I would like to ask you, what do you see as your institute's greatest strengths?
Okay. I have already told you that here the educations, why the Vidya Jyoti education is very, very strength, right? Number one, the students are very regular. Number two, the professors are very friendly and they are very, very precise about the teachings, right?
How do you think your institute's curriculum ensures the best practice in industry?
Okay. I had already said before also that हमारे college में students, professors, faculties, different faculties are very precise. That's why we are very much different from others. I had a personal experience also. I will not mention the different university, but when I was in master degree, we used to do practicals, right? For the internship for the 2 months. In our college, we need to report the our whatever work we have done in every next 5 days. Okay, but I have seen a different college. It's from the Chandigarh, but I'm not going to mention the university. But there were the students of I think 5 or 6 students, right? One students, they were every day they make a report and submit to the university. That was me. Okay, so according to that, my experience would say the college work is very precise. Still it is precise. So student alert हो जाते हैं कि हम पहले से यहाँ पे इतनी रेगुलर्स हो जाते हैं कि हमें कल हमारे कॉलेज खत्म होने के बाद हमें वही चीजें हम आगे अपनी जॉब के लिए जब प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो हम पहले से तैयार हो जाते हैं. That's why I think curriculum is the best. It's my personal experience on this as compared to other university, right?
That's great, ma'am.
Thank you.
What do you think your roles and responsibilities to the university and the students are?
Okay, my look, it's not only as a professor my responsibility, as a citizen of nation, it's everyone's responsibility. Whenever you face someone, your junior or your senior, it's everyone's responsibility to make everything good out of that. Okay, as a professor, I always teach my student that कि जो मर्जी हो जाए, syllabus पढ़ो, कुछ भी पढ़ो, but still you have to become a good person in life, right? That's my and every syllabus after this syllabus or in initial of the syllabus studying, I always suggest them कि जो मर्जी आप पढ़ लो, कुछ भी कर लो, you have to become a ultimately good human being.
That's a very great insight,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Nextly, I would like to ask you, what do you see as your institute's greatest strengths?
Okay, greatest strengths. Number one, the regulations are very precise. Vidya Jyoti University is very precise. The regulations from the professor to the students, right? And that is the main point of any institution to regulate their institute, right? Precise about the work, precise about the teaching, precise about the classes. That's the main thing. That could be strength the students, university or institutions, right? To run your institutions, you need to be very precise, very professional, very particular about the thing. So that thing is very much in Vidya Jyoti University.
That's great, ma'am. Lastly, I would like to ask you, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Okay, I will say, look, everyone work, okay? No one is going to, everyone work, everyone do, from the ant to the animals to the human being. Everyone know how to work, to eat, to fit yourself. Everyone, it's not uncommon, it's very common. But what is the thing is, I will say that whatever you do, you have to be ultimate, you have to make yourself a better human being. And that will inspire you to do everything in your life in a better manner. Thank you.
I would definitely agree to that, ma'am. That's all from my side. Thank you for being part of this interview.
Thank you.